Interest groups were pleased to hear that most of the government's pre-election promises were met, but education and environment advocates are saying that they've well and truly lucked out, as Anna McDonald reports.
When there's a limited amount of money to go round, you can only please some of the people some of the time.
The Coalition's first budget really does fail to set a clear agenda for Victoria's environment.
This budget fails the education test.
The government's pre-election promise to have Victorian teachers, the highest paid in Australia, has not surprisingly been left out of the budget. But no one was prepared for cuts to the school start bonus. The $300 payment will now be means tested.
We were surprised that the school start bonus was cut. It is dollars that are gone out of education. We are the lowest funded education state in the nation.
Environment Victoria says the government has failed to set a clear agenda for the environment, and there are still no clear plans on reducing greenhouse gas emissions.
We really do think it's time for the Victorian Government to show Victorians they understand that a healthy economy depends on a healthy environment.
The Australian Medical Association was most happy with the announcement of an $88 million package to tackle mental health.
It's also delivered on palliative care, very important, as well as, most importantly, mental health, which has been a sad cousin for many years in our community.
Low-income earners have fared well with a big boost in electricity concessions, but the business sector was hoping for some tax relief and more infrastructure spending.
We are going to need to deal with population growth. We are going to need with transport infrastructure. We are going to need to build competitiveness into the future, and therefore we're looking for a plan on how that might be brought about.
While most have welcomed the funding of key election promises, it seems many are still none the wiser about the government's long-term plans. Anna McDonald, ABC News, Melbourne.